Hello traders, this is Philemon Helondo from Fintech. And today's lesson I would actually like to highlight why it's very important to trade your plan with confidence. Okay, so going over my digital journal on Friday, I actually spotted three hot signals, on the Thursday's close, daily candlestick close. So if we look at our analysis here, what we have analyzed is that, so I actually wake up around 3 to 5 a.m. Namibian time, and then I look at the previous day's close. I go all over my charts, look on the previous day close, look for confluence areas, and look for pin bar setups. Okay, so after looking at my charts, this is actually what I spotted. If you see that blue flag, that means a possible buy, possible sell, and another possible sell. Okay, so we had three setups. I mean three charts, okay, or three currencies that we are looking to trade on that Friday. So the first one was GB Swiss franc. We spotted a pin bar there at approaching resistance 1.3. okay, so we are looking to enter at around 1.3 and set our stop loss around 1.245. that's around 45 pips away, and look to enter with that 2 times risk, so our profit target will be close to 1.31 area. So if we then look at this trade, GBP USD on the daily, okay, first we will have to, okay, one thing I always say when you're trading pin bars, okay, I've always highlighted, like that pin bar was formed on Thursday. I've always highlighted that you should trade with the overall trend. Okay, we see that is going upwards. It was a pullback, and that pin bar actually formed close to the 1.3 psychological area. Okay, it was approaching that level. Okay, so what happened is that why I didn't trade this setup is because I normally wait for price to retrace at least 50% of the pin bar. Okay, once price retraces 50% of the pin bar, then I enter a trade in the direction of the overall trend. Okay, so we missed this trade. Going over it was a clear winner, 2 to 1 risk ratio, and we didn't end up trading it. This was just terrible, okay, because actually I missed even the Euro Audi trade. You see the Euro Audi trade, I spotted the pin bar there on a bearish market. It was formed around resistance level 1.6, so I was looking to enter my trade at 1.595, put my stop loss above the psychological resistance level, 45 pips above the psychological resistance level, and aim for a 2 times risk target. Okay, so I was aiming for around 1.5, 1.59, I mean 1.5, below that to 1.49 something. So if then you look at this Euro Audi trade, okay, the Euro Audi trade, we didn't take it, but if you see there, okay, this is actually what we spotted, that pin bar. Okay, where is the overall trend? Downwards. We already had that 50% retrace, goes up, now we're heading down. Okay, let me not complicate things for you. Let's stick to actually the goal here is to spot that pin bar, trade it, set our wait for the 50% retracement. It was a perfect 50% retracement. Another confluence point here is that that is clear resistance level. That pin bar forms at the resistance level. That's a strong sell signal. Okay, so I'm teaching you also how to find setups, how to find your own trades, how to find your own signals. Okay, these signals are very powerful, they always work out. Okay, you see the price goes, swing low, goes up, swings low, comes back to that resistance level, and where is it heading? Downwards. Okay, so if you're not in a premium group, you wanna take a look at this, and this is actually a clear signal. I don't really like flooding my premium clients with a lot of signals because I have to watch their accounts. I have to make sure they progress steadily, okay, and meet their financial goals, because I want to trade with them for this whole year. And my aim for this year is to take an account of one of my investors from 300 to 40,000 before December. Okay, that's the challenge. And I am very hopeful that I'm gonna hit the challenge. Okay, so we didn't take that trade too. Okay, we missed it, and if you see that trade is still heading downwards, okay, just now that it's at that trading at that resistance level. Okay, it's trading at that resistance level, wants to approach that level, so we are actually looking to take that. Okay, so going to the next trade, that was USD JPY. We spotted a pin bar at close to resistance 110. Okay, so we have planned that our entry will enter at 1.9, place our stop at 1.2. This was another perfect trade. USD JPY, where are you? If we look at the USD JPY, we see, first thing we look for, overall trend. Okay, the overall trend is down. Okay, so what happened there? Price just came back up to that resistance level. Understand? So that's how, where you spot the resistance level, around that point. You see where price is actually being rejected at those areas. Okay, so this is what formed on that Thursday. That pin bar formed, no, not that pin bar. We're looking at that one on Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday it formed, followed by that doji. Okay, so now we are looking to trade that pin bar, place our entry at around 50% retrace. Okay, around 109.8. okay, it's already 40 pips above, so if we are in this trade, we'll be riding about 40 pips in this trade. You understand? So set our stop at 110.2. We'll still be in this trade doing good. Okay, so this trade hasn't run out. That's why I'm saying I'm watching this JPY pairs for this week. They're very hot. And once you see those formations of inside bars for me, you want to be patient and watch. You don't want to trade them because you won't make a lot of profit, but once you see a move, man, it's gonna be a good big move. That's why I'm always watching these guys patiently. I'll be watching them for the next 4 days, and if I detect something hot, I'm gonna actually have to sign with the group. Okay, so that's actually just me going over my trading plan that I didn't execute. So the lesson to you is that if you also have a trading plan that you write down like each and every day that you want to execute, I urge you to please always execute your plan with confidence. Okay, execute it with confidence, and you will become a confident trader. You will become confident in your decision making process. Thank you. This is Philemon Helondo from Fintech Academy.